Some of the best selling digital products right now use one method to actually sell their products. And it's really, really important that you all do the same. But before I tell you about this, guys, my name's AJ. I do all things AI, digital products, selling on Etsy, and all that great stuff. And if you're interested in any of that, remember, please check out my channel. I've got over 900 videos. And remember to please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Now, listen, best selling digital products do something really, really well. Is they're able to get customers to come and buy their product. It's a simple formula of conversion. And guys, this is what you have to do. If you're looking to sell on Etsy, which is probably the biggest marketplace in the world, then you need to understand the art of converting well, because there are thousands of sellers out there and everyone's competing for that little bit of space to get someone to buy their digital product. So you have to utilize everything that you have at your disposal. Let's get into this. Now, I'm on Etsy right now. As you can see, I've typed in pink teddy PNG. Now I could type in any niche out there. It doesn't really matter because it all needs the same thing. Now I'm going to click on one of this bestseller, which is here. You can see there's a bestseller here, which is selling obviously well. And I'm going to show you why it's selling well, what you can also do to replicate the same idea. So check this out. Okay, so I've gone into this listing. Now, let me show you what it does that is helping it sell. Now, if I come down to those listing images, obviously it's showing me an image of all the bundle, the images that it's selling, which is really nice. But when you come down, guys, to these listing images, this is showing you a mock-up. And literally a mock-up is how to give the customer the idea of how they're going to use that in their home. So in this case, you can see they could use it as a piece of wall art maybe, right? And then here's another listing image, which is showing how it could be used possibly as a design on a mug, design on a t-shirt, design actually as a sort of post maybe, or even something like an invitation, birthday invitation card. So this gives the customer a clear idea of how they can utilize this design, which in turn would actually help to convert the sale, right? This is what you need to be doing on your listing images if you're selling on Etsy. And if you want to sell digital products, even if it's not on Etsy, you do need to actually give the customer all the options and the ways that they could actually use that design. Okay, you don't want to guess, you want to actually show them how. And obviously it goes with these fantastic mock-ups. And gone are the days that you need a photo shoot or you need to pay expensive photographer to create these. You've actually got AI tools, and actually the best AI tool right now on the market is something called Kittle. You can check it out for free. The link is below, and I've even got 25% off all the plans. But let me just show you and demonstrate how quickly you could do something like some of these mockups. So check this out. Okay, so I'm on Kittle right now, and the first thing I'm going to do once I've just logged in is that I'm going to go to this thing where it says mock up a t-shirt. Now there's a few ways I can do this: design social media, mock up a t-shirt, but I'm going to click mock up a t-shirt. Okay, so now that I've gone into mock up a t-shirt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the side firstly, because it's not just a t-shirt that I can use. I can do many things. So I've just typed in frame, okay? And you've got lots of these sort of, if you like, frames, wall arts, if you like, really nice, really cute, actually. Many, many different types, okay? So, obviously I could use something in these. I could possibly use this one, just to sort of demo. Let me use this one, it's quite nice. Okay, so I've chosen this one. And let me just explain how this works. With the luminous, if you see this luminous box here, this is where you place your design, right? And that design, you'll see it appear in the mock-up itself. So let's say I'm going to choose a design that I've got. I'm going to go to my uploads. I'm going to try to choose something here. I've got lots of designs, guys. So I'm going to use this one actually. It's going to be like a sort of pet portrait, if you like, a head, a Doberman's face smiling. It's quite nice, but it doesn't have to be this. I can use any sort of design. Remember, there's any design that you want and choosing the right lifestyle. So I'm just going to demo exactly how this is done. So I'm going to use this, put it there. But obviously I need to enlarge it, just make sure it fits really nicely onto the canvas. Okay, and there you go. And you can see the face of the Doberman sitting really, really nice in the sort of wall art, if you like, in the canvas, in the frame, should I say. And, you can do this in many different things. If I just click on here and I press the button, obviously I can change the design slightly. Now, if I wanted a different mockup, obviously I can download this if I want this. You just simply go to download, quick export, and you can export this. You can even do a different way here, just double checking and making sure that you got all the sizing that's correct in the right DPI and so on. But let me just go back a couple of steps just to sort of show you, let's say, to go back to mockups and then choosing something slightly different, because not only do you want the sort of wall art, you might want something different. I might say mug, okay? These can be quite popular too. And remember, we did see one of the lifestyle mock-ups that was used by the example from that seller. Some really nice lifestyle ones. I'm just going to say this one for now. Okay, and again, the same principle applies. I'm just going to go to an upload. This time I'm going to choose something slightly different. In this case, I'm going to choose this one, which is really cute. When you're selling your digital products, it's so important just to give the customer an understanding of how they can use these digital products, you know, whether it be putting on a mug design, whether it be putting on a t-shirt, whether it be putting on a piece of wall art. But look how realistic these look. When you sit the design on there, these look really good. And like I said, you have a huge selection of different types of these mock-ups, you know, to best suit what you're trying to sell as well. Actually, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just show you how you can actually transform the mockup into a different type of mockup. So let me just click the button. I just want to show you something really cool right now. And what I'm going to say is change the background into a kid's playroom. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to now really drill down and match the sort of mug, the customer base that I'm selling the design for, that suits the target market. So you can imagine that this design might be for a child, in this case, the digital download. So obviously I want to represent the mock-up also into maybe something for a child as well, so a kid's room, just to show you that although you may use a mock-up that is there, that they have a bank of, even more interesting is that you can change it with AI. So I'm using prompts right now. So I've said change the background to a kid's playroom. Very simple terms, very simple prompt, nothing complicated. And I've also used a really good AI design model called Nano Banana. There are many models that you could use that Kittle has got, so you can try them out. But I really like Nano Banana. It's quick and it's got really good quality. It's about 15 seconds to produce. So I'm going to generate that and let's see if it understands. I can get into specifics and I can get into a little bit more detail with my prompt if need be, but let's see if it understands what I want. Okay, and there you go, guys. It's literally created a kid's room for this mock-up. Absolutely fantastic. Exactly what I wanted, because I think the other image looked like it was a little bit more of an office sort of background. I can make this a little bit more minimalistic if I want. I can even change that further just by pressing the button on the side and adding a further prompt. So that can be done. But it just shows you the power of AI, guys. You don't need to pay for expensive photos anymore. You can literally do that with AI. So remember, if you're interested in creating fantastic mockups to help sell your digital products, do check out Kittle. The link is below, and I do have 25% off all the plans. Otherwise, please remember, do hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell if you did like the video, and take care, and I'll see you on the next one.